Hi photographers, Robert Silver here. As you may know by now, I just signed the lease to my first photography studio. What comes with that? I now will be able to bring more educational content, more tutorials while I'm on set during my photo shoots, product reviews, and most importantly, in-person studio photography workshops. Today, I want to share with you 2 upcoming workshops that I currently have on the calendar right now. When it comes to shooting techniques, the defining feature of a stunning portrait is great lighting. During my 4-hour studio lighting for portraits workshop, you'll learn how to create portraits using the basic equipment you'll find in today's modern photography studio. Aside from getting one-on-one instruction from me, this hands-on workshop will be ending with a test shoot with a professional model using the multiple lighting setups I explained during the workshop. I will be sharing numerous single light setups for portraits for you to gain the confidence to create the right lighting for your next photo shoot, whether it be in studio or on location, without breaking the bank. Unleash the full potential of your portrait photography in my upcoming Editing Portraits with Lightroom workshop. During this 2-hour online workshop, I'll be sharing all the techniques and methods I use in order to further enhance the photos of my clients and the models I work with while only using Lightroom Classic CC. I want to show you how much you can do to further push the limits of your photos without ever having to use Photoshop. Not only will I be sharing my process as I edit photos live, but I'll be sharing all the steps I took in order to capture those images, as well as on how to go through the selection process on choosing the strongest images to edit. Get your questions ready. At the end, there will be plenty of time for me to answer all the questions you may have. Now, there's limited space to my in-person portrait photography workshop, so you want to RSVP now and reserve your space. Head to my website at robertsilverphotography.com for more details. I hope to see you there. Until next time, I'm Robert Silver. Keep shooting and stay creative.